Today we're showing you a 2006 New Holland TN60A tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has a Rhino 3110 quick attach front loader included. Tractor has just under 1,600 hours. It was a local trade-in here. The tractor is a one-owner machine. It has been stored inside. It's been well cared for. The tractor starts, runs, and works as it should. There are absolutely no known issues with the machine. And again, the tractor has been stored inside, which you can clearly tell just by looking at the paint. The paint is nice and bright on the tractor. And again, does have the Rhino quick attach 3110 front loader. Has a skid steer style hookup here for your front bucket connection. A little bit of paint out of the bucket just from normal use. Front grill guard is there. You're looking for an inexpensive four-wheel drive loader tractor. This is a pretty nice fit. Has 57 horsepower, and the engine is also prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. Goodyear tires are in excellent condition, front and back. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms. You can see there's barely any paint off back here. Drawbar is good, 540 PTO. Top link is there. It's got the rear hydraulic plug-in. Fenders aren't banged up or beat up. It's got the rear work light, foldable rollover bar. Canopy top is there. Just a clean tractor. A toolbox here inside of the fender. Nice suspension seat there for the operator. Power steering, obviously. Currently has 1,584 hours. It's got the mechanical shuttle to go from forward to reverse. You do have to clutch to shift this lever. However, it is synchronized, so you can do that while the tractor is still moving. Also have your Pto engagement and your four-wheel drive engagement down here to the left of the seat. Park brake is also located here within easy reach. To the right, you've got your loader control, your hand throttle, 2 transmission sticks. You've got 4 gears, which are all synchronized in the larger lever. Shorter lever here, you've got 3 ranges, so it gives you a total of 12 speeds. Also have your 3-point and the green lever up here is your hydraulic lever, not your hand throttle. Your hand throttle is going to be located on the dash. Got that wrong on my head there, but anyway, that green lever is going to be your rear hydraulic lever. 3-point levers are located down beside the seat. Down below, you've got the differential lock, foot throttle, individual brakes, clutch pedal here to the left. You'll notice there's barely any paint off those pedals. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.